So hello guys, in this video we are going to solve this problem. So in this problem it is given that this ABCD and this AEFG both are square. So this is A point, this is B point, this is C point and this is D point and this is one square. And there is another square which is AEFG. So this is A point, this is E point, this is F point and this is G point and this is another square, and we have to find the area of this blue region, which is this region. We have to find the area of this region. So this is the problem. So let's see how we can solve this. So you see this figure. In this figure we can see that this blue area, we can write this area of the kite ADXG. So this is A point, this is D point, this is X point and this is G point. So this is forming one kite. So this area, this whole area, minus what you can do the sector GAD area. So this is one sector which is simply this. So if you subtract the sector GAD area from this kite area, then you can get this blue area. So this is the simple strategy. So now how we can find out the kite and sector area? So let's see that. So this angle EAB is given as 120 degree in the problem. So you can see that this is given as 120 degree and this AB is given as 4, which is this. So this is given as 4 centimeter and it is a square. So this AD is also 4 centimeter. In a square all sides are equal. So we know this angle is 120 degree, and angle BAD, we can see that in the square it will be this angle which is 90 degree. So what we can do, we can subtract 90 from the 120 and we can get this angle as 30 degree. And we know this AD is 4 centimeter, and this AD and this AE are exactly be the same, because this D point is also lying on this sector, which is this sector. You can see that this sector, which is the part of one circle. So this G point, this D point and this E point are all lying on the circle. So from the center, which is A point, to the any point on the circle, distance is radius. So this is 4 centimeter, this is also 4 centimeter and this is also 4 centimeter. So now you see in the figure there is a symmetry. So if this angle is 30 degree, so this angle will also be 30 degree. Because of the symmetry of the figure, we can say that. So if angle EAD is 30 degree, then angle BAG is also 30 degree. And now you look at, so this remaining angle will be whole 60 degree, because this is 90, and if we subtract this which is 30, so the remaining is this 60. So if this is 60, then there is also symmetry inside the figure. So this angle will also be same as this angle. So this will be 30 again, then this will be 30 again, because 60 divide equally in both of these. So this all four angle are 30 degree. So now we find out the all four angle. What we can do, we know this is 4, and we know here it is 90 degree angle, and we also know this is 30 degree. So we can apply tan 30 is equal to this dx divided by this 4, and we can find out this dx as 4 times tan 30. So now we find out this dx as 4 times tan 30, because we know this angle is 30 and this is 90. So we just apply tan 30 is equal to this dx divided by AD in the right angle triangle EDX. So from that we got this dx as 4 times tan 30. So now you see this kite is made by two right angle triangle. One is this right angle triangle. So half part of the kite is this, and another is this right angle triangle. So another half part of the kite is this, and we easily see that this angle is also 30. So this will also come like 4 times tan 30. This is also 4 times tan 30. This is 4 and this is 4. So we can write the area of the kite as simply this summation of these two right angle triangle area, which is half times 4 times tan 30 multiply by 2 because this area and this area are exactly be the same. So just multiply by 2, it will come like and here it will also come like 4 because this side is 4, this is 4 times 10 30, and this 2 and this 2 will cancel. So the final area is simply 4 times 10 30 multiplied by 4, which is 16 divided by root 3. So this is the area of this whole kite. So now we know the kite area, we can easily find out the sector area. We know this angle is 60°. So sector area is simply 60 divided by 360 multiplied by the pi times radius of the circle from which this sector is coming, which is this 4. So pi times 4 square. So it is simply 16 pi divided by 6, which is 8 pi by 3. So you subtract this 8 pi by 3 from the 16 divided by 3. This is kite area and this is sector area, so you can easily got this blue area. So this is the final answer, and in this way we can solve this.